Welcome back to Malek Fahd. Today for our Year 9 assessment task, we're going to be unboxing the TP-Link 4G Lite router.
The goal for this term is to create a software network that's safe for all ages to use within the school community.
As part of our assessment this term, we have to create our own network. We have taken some workstations of the school network, which will be connecting to our modem through a switch and also using a wireless SIM.
We had to install a new operating system and make 2 new accounts, an administrator one and a student one, to install the right permissions.
So now we are at the final stages of our assessment where we are setting up our modem so we can get the network up and going.
Now we're unboxing the SIM and plugging it into the router.
Watch out for part 2 where we activate our SIM and set up the right permissions.